Enroll in classes online at my.tmcc.edu. From your Student Center, click Search for Classes. Select the term in which you would like to enroll, for example, 2020 Fall, then enter the course abbreviation in the subject box. For example, English would be ENG. If you don't know the abbreviation, you may click the yellow Select Subject box and then click on the appropriate subject. In the next box, enter the class number, for example, 101. You may narrow your search down by selecting mode of instruction, for example, in-person or online, also referred to as a web course. By location, remember TMCC has 4 locations around the Reno area, and even by days and times. When you are ready, scroll down and click Search. You will see a list of scheduled sections of the course. Pay close attention to the days and times, location, meeting dates, as some classes may start later or end earlier in the semester, and the instruction method. A green circle in the status column means the class is open. A blue box means the class is already full. Scroll through the list until you find the section you would prefer and then click Select. The next screen will note whether or not the course has a prerequisite or co-requisite or other information you may need to know before enrolling. If everything looks good, click Next. The course has now been added to your shopping cart. Let's look for another course by clicking Modify Search. Enter the class information again. For example, Math 120. I highly recommend you click the Show Open Classes Only box and then click Search. You will be able to see any courses that are already in your shopping cart to ensure you avoid time conflicts. Read through the detailed information in order to find a section that works with your schedule, and then click Select. Review the enrollment notes carefully, and then click Next. Repeat this process until you have all of your classes in your shopping cart. When you have added your final class, click the blue shopping cart hyperlink. Review your classes, days, times, and locations. Click the Select button in front of each class, then click Enroll. Review your classes one more time, and then click Finish Enrolling. A green check mark means you are successfully enrolled, whereas a red X means you were not able to enroll in the class. In this case, I have not met the prerequisite, so I either need to go into a lower level course, enroll in a co-requisite, submit proof that I have completed the prerequisite, or may need to take the AccuPlacer in order to earn a qualifying test score. If you have more questions, you may schedule an appointment with an advisor online at myadvisor.tmcc.edu.